Is your garage door refusing to open or close? This frustrating problem can be caused by issues with the opener, remote control, sensors, or even a power outage. If you're in the Dapto area and experiencing garage door issues, our team of qualified professionals is here to help. Call us now at 0409774111 for expert garage door repairs. Ensure your garage door operates smoothly and reliably with our professional service. For dependable garage door repairs in the Dapto area, contact us today at 0409774111.